Yeah, the recording has started. So let's start the class. So the pre-stressed concrete subject in fourth year second semester, as per our 16 regulation of JNTUK, is to be dealt in this semester. So I'm going to present the outline of the course. These are the topics under that outline of the course, where we will be discussing the R16 regulations. These things you are well aware of right from your first year. So we are not going to discuss anything about that. I'm just going through the slides uh, for those regulations. Syllabus, we will talk about syllabus in detail, what shall be dealt in this semester. Then particularly course outcomes, as we are in OBE model, outcome based education model, where for every course of study you have to define what are the outcomes from that course of study, which means once you study that course, what you are going to gain the knowledge in terms of some outcomes. You have to define them first. Then you have to talk about program outcomes, like for a particular program like civil engineering program will have as a whole the outcomes, means after studying civil engineering what a student is expected to gain the knowledge, that is program outcome. Like course outcomes, once you study course like structural analysis 1. So once you study structural analysis 1, what the knowledge that you have gained from that outcome, right? So similarly, then each course will be mapped to program outcomes. The course outcomes that we define will be mapped to the program outcomes. Okay, so that will be assessed in terms of examinations, in terms of survey, like direct we call and indirect. So direct means by examination, through examination we will assess how much knowledge you gain, like outcomes. So that is direct. And indirect by means of a survey, so that is called course end survey. For every course, means for every subject that you study, like mechanics, structural analysis, design of structures, like design of steel structures, building material, anything, surveying, any course you study, there will be a survey at the end of the course, and you will be asked some questions and you have to answer them. That will be indirect survey. Okay, these are the topics that we will talk about in this course, pre-stressed concrete. Okay, so this is just as I said, to see how things work out uh, in terms of the GMeet. So for this, uh, I have just scheduled this online meeting. So thank you for attending the session. We'll meet again as I schedule the classes. I'll be intimating you well ahead of the schedule, so that we can have the online sessions, as well as the recordings will be posted to you in the Google Classroom for your reference. Whoever missed out, for example, today 43 students are present in this session. So these 40 other than these 43, they can utilize this recording. Okay, right, thank you all.